Hello, my beautiful friends. Thank you so much for being here with me. Welcome to my channel, Tania Babs 3704. I welcome you so very much. This is Tania Babs. We are in the village. We woke up very early in the morning. Today is a Sunday. We don't have any day which we are not working. We woke up very early. We traveled to the village. So now we are in the village now. I want to show you around where our village is. I started with cooking because we woke up very early in the morning. My sister were planting trees in the garden. So for me, I'm here. I was cooking first. Let me show you what I was cooking. Then I show you around where I am. This is matoke. Those who loves matoke so much and peanuts, here we are. I've cooked matoke, peanuts, and kaugi. We are going to enjoy because we are so much busy planting trees. This is the food I was cooking, so I'm going to tour you around the village. Let's continue. This is one of the house we are staying in. This is the behind part. You can see very well. The security is tight. You see the cameras, the trees. We plant trees everywhere. This is the outside toilet. You don't need to go anywhere in the bush. We have toilets outside and we have inside toilets. The house is so big. We are going to tour it around, but we are not entering inside because we are so busy. We plant trees everywhere. This is the behind the shed. It's so beautiful, red in color. So beautiful. This is the toilet. Please come and enjoy. If you want to have somewhere to spend your day, your night, please come. We are welcoming you. Anytime you want, come. This is the compound. This is the outside chair. You can sit here and relax. Hey, and you enjoy the environment. We have green everywhere, which is everywhere in our compound. We have even mangoes, we have papayas. Every type of tree we have it in this compound. We have mangoes, you can see. They are growing. We have water. We have water around the house. So if you need anything, please contact us. If you want to rest, if you want to relax your mind, we have mangoes, we have fruits everywhere. Now this is where we sit in the evening in the campfire. This is the campfire. My sister designed this campfire. It's so beautiful. You can admire, you can contact us. Write to us down the comment section. We shall communicate to you how to do it. We have flowers, trees everywhere. The beauty of the village. See the compound. You can come and camp here. Pitch a tent everywhere you want. The space is here. You can put your tent, sleep. Nobody will touch you. The cameras are there. The security is so tight. Beautiful house. Beautiful environment. Please come and enjoy. Enjoy everything. What a beautiful tree. It has flowers. By the way, always this tree has flowers on it. You can see it's there. It's growing. It's only 1 month old. You know, it is growing so fast. Look here. The environment. We have avocado. It's there. Those are the boys' quarters. Even we have where we lost chicken, meat. That is there. That is the front part. The front part is so beautiful. You can put there a table, relax, read your books, read your magazine. You will enjoy, my dear. Everything here is so beautiful. Yes, the compound is so big. You can even park 5 cars around here. See, the compound is so big. We have put trees around the compound, so everything is here. Yes, beautiful flowers. We have guavas. They have eaten all of it. No fruits there. Yes, please come and enjoy. Come and enjoy, please. Here we are in the second house. We call it a white house. But let me first show you around. We have flowers everywhere. My sister plants flowers, trees, fruits everywhere. That is the gates. The security is so good. This is the second compound in the house. This is the white house. We call it the white house. Wherever we are, we build a white house and another color of a house, because white represents Holy Spirit. Holy Spirit is so pure. Always Holy Spirit remains pure. That is the shade, the balcony, and you can sit here and relax. Have chairs to relax on, read your magazines, take your evening tea. The environment is so quiet. We have jackfruits, but it's not the season of jackfruits. Yes, we are waiting for it to bring fruits again. That is the second balcony. You can sit here also. The house is big. We have everything. The cameras around here. The security is so tight, my dear. You never get worried of anything. You sleep, you put your legs up. No worries that a thief or anybody can come and harm you. No. That is a mango tree. We have fruits, by the way. We have fruits around. That is a papaya. We have fruits. You can see, even how bright. We have water. You don't get worried of water. We have 2 tanks. They are big. They are enough to supply all the family. There are 2 tanks. Yes. Please come and enjoy. Enjoy, please. Come and enjoy the environment. The quietness of the place is so beautiful, my dear. Our dear, please come. Come and see what we have built here. Good place to stay in. Wow. Welcome people to come. This house, you can come, pay your money. Is friendly talk. The money is friendly talk. Please come and we bargain. You sleep anytime you want. You will feel secure. We are going outside and you see, we tour you around and see what is happening behind these gates. Come and we go together and tour around. Our toilet, outside toilet. The toilets are so good. Please come and see the beauty of the village. The toilets are so good, so clean. Here we are. Here we are, my dears. Come. We have another one here. Yes, everything is clean here. We have beautiful toilets outside. Now, this is the small gate going outside the compound. Outside the gate, yes, my sister's been here planting flowers. This is a hedge, bamboo hedge. Is here. She has been busy working. We woke up very early in the morning. So that place, that space you see there, we are going to put a swimming pool. Hey, you wait until this place is finished. You will see. We have even banana. We have banana plantation. We don't buy matoke. Even matoke we are going to eat today. We picked it from this garden. We have papaya. Yes. By the way, everything we have here is so good. Yes. See the compound. We have trees. They have just planted this. We have even onions, spring onions. See, guys. Wow. Those are the young frame tree we have. We planted it here. Guys, come and enjoy. Come and enjoy the beauty of the village. We are building an eco village here. This is the outside kitchen. If you're here and you're here to camp, please, this is the kitchen you can use. You don't need to go inside. Just come here and enjoy the outside environment. Cook your food from here, from this outside kitchen. You can even slaughter a goat. Yes, this is here. This is what you can use. That is the worktop. You can do all your work from here. You keep your things here. That is the cupboard, the drawers where you can put your things. Yes. Wow. This is so beautiful. Dr. Raj. Hey, that is my sister. Yes. She has been busy since morning.
Very busy.
We woke up very early in the morning. Yeah. Say something, my dear.
Okay, welcome to, maybe I should have this.
Because, yes.
Yeah, so welcome to my sister's channel, Tanya Barbs 3704. Please support her. Go subscribe if you haven't already. Please make sure you share her videos. Yeah, that is it. Tanya, what are you up to? Are you done cooking?
Yes, the food is ready, my dear.
Okay.
Yeah, we are ready to eat.
We are ready to eat.
Yes.
I tell you, we've done a lot of planting here. Did you tell them this is called the Rapo Eco Village?
I haven't yet, because I have just come outside.
Okay, people,
yes.
She just told me to say hello to you. Yeah, of course, I've done the planting, landscaping, everything is just okay. We're just waiting for you to come and waiting for the trees and everything to grow, the hedges, bamboo. It's amazing. Thank you, people. Thank you for supporting my sister, okay? I also have a channel.
Please.
Should I tell them? Okay, now, if you are a supporter of Tanya Barbs 3704, please just visit my channel, TNT Connect UG.
Yes.
Yeah, you're gonna get a lot. Travel vlogs, lifestyle, inspirational stories. Or maybe quite a lot.
Yeah.
Definitely quite a lot. And also we do a little bit of charities because we have an organization. It's called RAPO. Yes, I'm the founder of that organization and the president. So I welcome all of you. Just come, visit us. Come have a good time here.
Yes.
Enjoy the good time. Thank you, Tanya. I need to continue.
Hey, it's okay. Thank you so much for the work done, my dear.
Yeah, thank you for the good work.
Yes,
and thank you for giving
so
me
much.
this chance.
Of course,
to appear on your
of
channel.
course. By the way, people, guys, this is my sister behind all the work you're seeing here.
Yes.
She plans everything. Everything you see here, the gardens, the buildings, everything. By the way, she planned even this kitchen. You can contact her down in this comments down. Yeah, you'll see. Hey.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, I do the planning and everything, but of course, it's a collective responsibility.
Yes, I know.
Planting with these three men.
I can see George, MJ. I salute you, all of you. Well done. Thank you so much for everything. Mr. Matata, thank you so much for everything. May God bless you.
Amen.
Yes. This is the compound. Wow. Hey, the bamboo AH. Wow. That is the frame tree. The compound is looking so beautiful. Oh, Jesus. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Please, guys, come and enjoy the environment of our village. Our village looks so beautiful. We are creating something here. We are going to enjoy this village so much. We call it Rapo Eco Village. Please come and experience the village with echo of birds, trees, everything around us. Please, you will enjoy. See, that is the outside toilet. Apart from the other one inside the gate, we have another one here for the campers. Yes, please, you're going to enjoy staying here. You're going to enjoy so much. That is the building where you'll be eating food, getting your lunch, everything. If you don't want to cook, we shall be cooking for you, because we are here to care for you, to love you, because you will be here spending your money on us. And you, please, enjoy yourself within this beauty around you. That is the way. Coming this side, that is the hedge. This hedge is so beautiful. As gardening. Wow, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wherever you are, please continue supporting me, continue supporting my work, continue supporting what I'm doing, continue subscribing on my channel, sharing them. Please show me some love. I want to be loved. Thank you so much. I'm ending this video here because we are about to go. We are going to eat food, then we go back home because we woke up very early in the morning. So we have other things to do. We are rushing to go back to Kampala. So see you in my next video. May God bless you so much. Bye bye. Take your time and watch my videos, and may God bless you.